Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wi-Fi UNIC projector. First, power on your UNIC projector and use the remote to select the appropriate input source. Next, navigate to the Network Settings menu. It is important to ensure your projector is within a good range of your wireless router for a stable connection. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once in the network settings, the projector will scan for available wireless networks. Select your home or office Wi-Fi network from the list that appears. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard and the projector's remote control. Double-check the password for accuracy before confirming to ensure a successful connection to the internet. With your projector connected to Wi-Fi, you can now mirror your device. On your smartphone or tablet, activate the screen mirroring or casting feature. Look for your UNIC projector's name in the list of available devices and select it. A prompt may appear on your projector or device to confirm the connection, ensuring a secure display. For the best experience, always ensure both your projector and the device you are mirroring are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your projector and your wireless router. Also, regularly check for and install any available firmware updates for your UNIC projector to enhance performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.